Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, North Mobile Bay, Perdido Bay area, South Mobile Bay, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 33 nautical miles north of Battleship Park to 31 nautical miles north of Grand Bay to 8 nautical miles north of Mississippi Sound, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 65 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Gator Island, East Fowl River Bridge, Sand Island Lighthouse, Onsicker Bay, Farewell Buoy, Middle Bay Light, Mississippi Sound east of Pascagoula, Battleship Park, Dog River Bridge, and Central Dauphin Island. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama and the adjacent coastal waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, Perdido Bay area, and coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Monroe County in south central Alabama, north central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, north central Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, Washington County in southwestern Alabama, central Clark County in southwestern Alabama, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southwest of Wagerville, or 12 miles southeast of Chatham, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for McIntosh, Hawthorne, Wagerville, hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Jackson, Frisco City, Chatham, St. Stephen's, Wagerville, Leroy, Uriah, Woodley, Tibby, Calvert, and McIntosh. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for south central and southwestern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin, Clark, Mobile, Monroe, and Washington. The following is